the present communists, they are thinking of the human being only. And the animals are being sent to the slaughterhouse. Although the human being and the animal is born in the same land, actually they are also nationals. National means one is born in that particular land. So why not these animals national? But because they have no Krishna consciousness, they cannot think so broadly. They think nationalism means it is limited to the human being, not to the animals, not to the trees. But when you become Krishna conscious, you understand that the trees, the plants, the reptiles, the aquatics, the human being, the beast, everyone, each and every one, part and parcel of God. According to their karma, they have got different bodies. The color, as I explained. According to the karanam gunasanga asya sadasat janma jonishu. These things are described in the Bhagavad Gita. One has got a different type of body according to his karma. Karmana daivanetrena jantar deha upapattai. By karma we create next body. So this is a great science. People do not know how things are taking place, how there are so many species of life, how one is so-called happy, or so-called distressed, why one is rich, one is poor, why there are so many planets, why some of them are demigods, and some of them are human beings, some of them are animals. It is a great science, but there is no cultivation of this knowledge in the modern universities or educational institutions. Perhaps we are the only group of men, we are trying to propagate this science of Krishna consciousness. But it is a perfect science to understand the position. Now, Krishna says, Chaturvarnam maya sristam gunakarma vibhavasa. When we are animals, we have to pass through animal bodies. By evolution we have come to this human form of body. Now it is an opportunity to get out of this cycle of birth and death. This is our real problem. But people, because they have no education, poor fund of knowledge, there is no educational institution how transmigration of the soul takes place. They do not know. Big MA, PhDs, but they do not know what is the actual position of the living entity. But that is the real problem. They do not know the real problem. The real problem is, it is stated in the Bhagavad Gita, Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi. Birth, death, old age and disease. This is real problem. Nobody wants to take birth. At least nobody wants to die. Birth and death. Wherever there is birth, there must be death. Anything which is born must die. So, Janma Mrityu and old age. So long you live, you have to change your position. So one position is this old age. Just like we have become old, there are so many complaints. Jara and Vyadhi. And when we become diseased, everyone should become diseased, everyone should become old, everyone must die. This is the problem. Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi Dukkha Doshanudarsa. We are trying to mitigate all our miserable conditions of life that is struggle for existence. We are scientists, we are discovering many counteracting processes to get out of distress condition. But the difficult position, Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi, we are avoiding. Because we cannot do anything. We cannot, the so-called science, they cannot solve this problem, although sometimes they falsely become proud that by science we shall become immortal and so on. These things were tried before also by atheistic class of men like Ravana or Hiranyakashipu. But it is not possible to become successful, to stop birth, death, old age and disease. That is not possible. If there is any possible process, that is Krishna consciousness. That is Krishna consciousness. If you become Krishna conscious, then you can get a body, not get, you have already got the body, spiritual body, and upon that spiritual body, this material body has developed, just like dress. Your coat is cut according to your body. Similarly, this materially body is cut according to our spiritual body. So we have got our spiritual body. This material body is covering. Bhashangsi Jinnani. Just like dress, your shirt and coat is the covering of your real body. Similarly, this body, gross body and subtle body, made of material elements. The gross body is made of earth, water, air, fire, and the subtle body is made of mind, intelligence and ego. This is the certain core. Within this certain core there is the soul. So the soul is now encased in this material body, and our business in the human form of body, in animal form of body, we cannot do this. But the human form of body, we can understand that I am not this body. The body, this material body, is a outer encasement. And because I have got this body, I am subjected to birth, death, old age and disease. Now, in the human form of body, I understand it. So, if I take the process, how to get out of this cycle of birth and death, then our human life is success. This is Krishna consciousness movement. How we are helping people how to get out of this material body and revive your own spiritual body, and in that spiritual body you go back to home, back to God. This is the process. Takta dehang punarjanma naiti. But people are so attracted to this material body that they are prepared to become cats and dogs next life, but they are not prepared to go back to home, back to God. This is the problem. So why this problem? Because the human society is in chaos, a chaotic condition. There must be division of 4 classes. One class must be Brahmana, intelligent class. And one should be Kshatriya, one class, the administrator, because human society, they require good consulting brain, good administrators, good producers and good worker. That is the division of Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. Therefore Krishna says, Chaturvarnang maya system. In order to keep smooth facilities for human life, there must be 4 divisions. If you say that we don't require Brahmana, if you don't require Brahmana, then you will suffer. Just like you have got this body, and if you think this part of the body is very expensive, always eating, cut it off. Then you will dead. Similarly, just to keep your body in good condition, in living condition, you must have your head, you must have your arms, you must have your belly, you must have your